Let's simplify. So we completely factor numerator, completely factor denominator. Then we divide out any common factors. By the way, please resist trying to divide out, say, a common factor here of y and y. Although y is attached to a by multiplication, it's attached to the rest of this denominator by addition. And you can only divide out common factors. Factors means multiplication. So let's completely factor and then divide out common factors. We'll start in the numerator. That's a 4-term polynomial. No factors common to all 4 except 1 or -1. So I'm going to try factoring by grouping. In the first 2 terms, there's a common factor of a, and when I factor it out, I have y plus 3. Second set of 2 terms, common factor of 2. When I factor it out, I have y plus 3. And now in the denominator, by the way, in the numerator, have I factored yet? Have I written as a product yet? The answer is no. This is still a sum, so we're not through yet. But I'll go ahead and begin in the denominator also. Factor by grouping, common factor of a. And when I factor it out, I have y plus 3 plus common factor of 5, and I have y plus 3. You can do no dividing out yet. I know this looks really good and you want to divide out. No dividing out yet because you have not completely factored numerator and denominator. Again, these are still sums. So let's finish factoring. In the numerator, in these 2 terms, I have a common factor of y plus 3, which I'll factor out, and I'm left with a plus 2. Now the numerator is factored. It is written as a product. In the denominator, in these 2 terms, common factor of y plus 3, I'm left with a plus 5. Now look for common factors. These 2 factors are common, and when we divide them out, what do we have left? 1 times a plus 2, which is a plus 2, whether or not you enclose it in parentheses, and 1 times a plus 5, a plus 5. Can you divide out these 2 a's? The answer is no. This is a plus 2, not a times 2. So I can go no further, and we have simplified.